All right, guys, this is the second session for us to listen up to what our participants saying about their drawing. And then this is my favorite moment because I can listen up students' point of view. And then I can also listening up to what all the participants think about their drawing. Yeah.
Ya, kasih tahu Bu Sandy itunya.
Pipis.
Mau pipis dulu, Elbrus pipis dulu sayang. Nanti takut pipis tuh. Iya, nanti pipis di celana. Kakak Ares sama Kakak Vio juga harus rajin belajar. Salah satunya kalian belajar drawing. Ini fungsinya banyak banget ya. Drawing itu membuat kalian menjadi lebih artistik. Jadi tahu, jadi lebih sensitif. Dan can you imagine guys live without art?
There's nothing good.
Yeah, there's nothing beautiful.
Oh yeah, and we cannot build houses
Yeah.
because we don't know shapes.
Yeah, you don't know shape, you don't know color. Even though that you can build a shape, it's like a cave, right? Without no color. Kalau hidup nggak ada art, bayangin nggak Niko? Niko pakai baju nggak ada sense of artnya. Bajunya hanya udah di daun aja. Nggak ada model-modelnya, bajunya nggak ada tulisan-tulisan, nggak ada gambar Batman.
Berarti manusia hitam putih dong.
Ada gambar.
Iya, live without art. Kalau kita hidup tanpa art, rumah kita seperti batu aja, nggak ada model-modelnya, nggak ada atapnya, nggak ada dibuat keren, nggak ada lantai 2, nggak ada lantai 3.
Terus kita juga nggak tahu shape. Terus kita bahkan juga nggak bisa sekolah, nggak tahu soalnya cara bikin sekolahnya gimana.
Iya, makanya art itu sangat penting buat manusia. Sama seperti math, science, biology, and all the subjects. Okay. We still have 10 minutes ahead. After that, I'm going to give you guys a moment to reflect, to present your work, and to share to us what is the thing that you learned today. Yeah, it's too lazy to color this one, but I promise I will finish it by today. Yeah, and I'm going to show it maybe next time. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to ask Aleta first. Aleta, do you have any problem with your drawing? You have any problem, Aleta? No? Okay, good. How is it so far? You use color marker or color pencil?
Pencil.
Yeah, that's also good. That is a nice choice. I like color pencil also sometimes. When I need to do work with details and I want to see my drawing look so artistic, I use color pencil. Okay, if I'm too lazy, I'm using watercolor because watercolor makes things more easier for me. How about you, Leandra? Leandra sudah sampai mana? Boleh ditunjukin nggak gambarnya? Iya, wah udah dikit lagi itu ya. Bagian pinggir kanan kirinya belum ya, alisnya sama apa namanya matanya. Oke, setelah selesai nanti Leandra siap-siap presentasi ya. It's okay, presentasinya it doesn't have to be so complicated. Yeah, it doesn't have to be complicated. Just present how do you feel about your drawing, and there is nothing wrong or correct. Everything is just good in art. Okay. Now we have one participant done. I want Devanka to present her work and show it to everyone here. Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
Hi, this is my drawing. First, I draw my face like a half oval and the ears like this, 2 ears, and the head 1 half oval. And then I draw the eyebrows and the eyes, and the nose and the mouth. Then I draw the neck and the clothes. Then I cut it.
Oh, how was it, Devanka? What did you learn? Can you please mention 3 things that you learned today? Okay, Devanka, can you mention 3 things that you learned today?
We learn about colors.
Good job. One more. 2 more.
Apa tadi?
So you learn about color, and then you learn about what? The shapes of the eyes.
Yeah.
Okay, 2. The last one is you learn about what? The stained glass technique.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Don't be so nervous. This one is only like.
I'm not nervous. I just forget.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I appreciate your effort when you are presenting your work. Good job. Nico, are you ready to present your work?
No.
Okay, I'm waiting then. Leandra sudah siap? Presentasi? Belum? Ya udah nggak apa-apa. Next will be Kakak Ares, Kakak Vio. Belum ya? Ya udah nggak apa-apa kalau belum, teruskan. Oke teman-teman, belajar art itu menyenangkan. Mr. Al mulai belajar art dari kelas 1 SD dan sudah ikut beberapa kompetisi. I won a lot of trophies ya. Tapi bukan itu poinnya. Dari belajar art, Mr. Al learn a lot of things. Bahkan nanti kalian sudah besar, kalian akan menggunakan skill artnya untuk membantu sesama. Misalnya membuat poster untuk kegiatan agama, misalnya membuat poster untuk hari Natal atau membuat poster untuk Idul Fitri gitu. Atau jika seseorang membutuhkan bantuan, misalnya gurunya, siapa yang bisa gambar orang? Kalian akan menggunakan skill itu untuk membantu sesama. Jadi, ya, art sama pentingnya dengan subjek-subjek yang lain. Jadi, teman-teman mumpung lagi holiday gini, belajar art harus yang serius ya, supaya mendapatkan manfaatnya nanti. Okay, next, Abia, how is it? Udah siap? Nggak apa-apa, di-present di depan sana. Boleh. Ayo, Abia duduk sama Devanka. Ready? Yang keras suaranya ya, deketan sama itu. Abia, deketan sama kameranya. Ready? Ayo teman-teman, kita akan dengerin kakak Abia untuk present. After this, Elbrus ya, sebentar.
Ini gambarnya dia pertama-tama dia cepat-cepat buka. Habis itu gambar mata.
Ya.
Wanitanya, rambutnya, bibirnya, hidungnya, dan lehernya, garis ini. Habis itu dia warnain.
Iya, Abia sebutkan 3 hal yang Abia pelajarin hari ini. Apa aja?
Matanya sama bibirnya.
Oke, mata 1, gambar bibir 1. Yang ketiga apa yang Abia belajar hari ini?
Hidung.
Gambar hidung. Oke, teman-teman Abia hari ini belajar 3 hal. Pertama gambar mata. Terus gambar apa tadi?
Gambar hidung.
Hidung sama?
Mulut.
Oke, thank you. Teruskan Abia. Next, Kakak Niko mau present? Belum. Ya, Kakak Elbrus ya. Sekarang kita akan dengarkan Kakak Elbrus. Silakan Elbrus. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Ini gambar muka orang.
Terus, mana matanya?
Matanya ini.
Wah, keren banget. Hidungnya yang mana, Elbrus?
Hidung bukan. Oh ini.
Oh, ini. Mulutnya yang mana sih? Mulut, Mr. Al mau tahu mulutnya yang mana?
Ini.
Oh, kalau kupingnya mana, telinganya?
Ini kuping di sini. Ini apa?
Telinganya yang mana, Abang Elbrus?
Oh ini ini kupingnya.
Oh, kupingnya. Wah, rambutnya mana? Rambutnya Kakak Elbrus?
Ini
Warna apa rambutnya?
Bagus banget.
red.
Warna red ya. Kalau matanya warna apa itu?
Warna apa?
Warna blue.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Wow, keren banget. Elbrus gambar sendiri ya?
Terus gambar sendiri.
Dibantuin nggak sama dedeknya?
Enggak.
Enggak ya. Elbrus seneng nggak gambarnya? Seneng ya. Wah, keren. Terima kasih Elbrus.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Wah, thank you. Wah, ini pinter banget. Elbrus sudah selesai, teman-teman. Sekarang next, Kakak Adrian. Sudah siap presentasi? Kakak Tori? Oke, Kakak Adrian. Kita akan dengar Kakak Adrian ya. Ready? 1, 2, go. Ayo, Kakak Adrian. Halo teman-teman, namaku Adrian.
Teman, nama aku Adrian.
Ya,
Aku menggambar
apa?
ini rambutnya.
Ya.
Kalau ini matanya, alisnya,
Mm-mm.
mulutnya, kupingnya, sama ini badannya.
Mm-mm.
Ini semuanya ini hidungnya.
Wah,
Ini banyak.
badannya ya.
Terus warnanya ini
Itu Adrian gambar sendiri apa dibantuin sama mama?
sendiri.
Wah, hebat. Sendiri udah bisa pinter gitu. Susah nggak gambar muka orang?
Susah.
Susah ya. Yang mana yang paling susah? Bagian yang mana yang paling susah?
Yang hidung.
Hidungnya. Iya, memang Mr. Al juga paling susah gambar hidung. Nanti kita akan belajar lagi ya, gambar hidungnya lebih bagus. Itu hari ini Adrian bisa sebutin nggak? Adrian belajar apa? 3 hal yang bisa Adrian sebutin. Adrian belajar apa aja?
Apa aja?
1, Adrian belajar apa? Ayo, nggak apa-apa.
Kaca patri.
Oh, kaca patri. Iya, tadi kita lihat video tentang kaca patri ya. Terus kedua, gambar apa? Apa namanya? Apa yang Adrian pelajari hari ini? Tadi kaca patri. Kedua,
Muka.
oh iya, kedua gambar muka manusia. Ada matanya, ada kupingnya. Nah, yang ketiga gambar apa tadi? Adrian ngapain? Kasih apa tadi gambarnya?
Garis.
Iya, Adrian belajar membuat garis. Coba tunjukin mana garisnya, mana gambarnya, tunjukin ke teman-teman mana yang dimaksud garis menurut Adrian. Oh iya, itu ya. Iya, itu seperti lukisan kaca patri. Iya. Oke, makasih Adrian. Bagus banget. Mr. Al kasih 2 jempol buat Adrian dan 10 stars. Good job, Adrian. Oke, thank you. Next will be...
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Kakak Vio udah siap? Ya, if you tired, you can leave the call. Ya. Siapa yang mau duluan? Oke, Dede Rachel ya. Thank you. Dede, Kakak Vio sebentar ya. Dede Rachel dulu. 1, 2, 3. Go.
And then I draw the nose, the mouth, bye. The long hair and eyelashes and
Eyebrow.
eyebrow. And then I draw a ear. I draw a face. Done.
Oke, Rachel, thank you so much. Bagus banget gambarnya. Susah nggak sih gambar itu, Rachel? Susah nggak? Is it hard for you to draw the face?
Not.
No, okay, good. How about the color? Is it hard for you to color your drawing?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Kakak Rachel. Now, Kakak Tori, you done?
Yes.
Oke, Tori. Habis ini Kakak Vio ya, atau ya? Habis ini Kakak Vio. Ready, 1, 2, go.
This is my drawing. I draw a girl first. I draw the face,
Okay.
and then I draw the eye, and then I draw the eyelash, and then I draw the ear, 2 ears, and then I draw a long mouth, and then I draw a long hair. And then I draw a nose, and then I draw some hair here, and then I draw a lot of stripes here, and then I color it with a crayon.
Okay, can you mention 3 things that you learned today?
Yes.
Yeah, first one.
Color.
You learn about color. Second one.
Shapes.
Shapes. Okay, the third one will be the last one. Okay, the last one. Come on, it's okay.
It's okay, Cece.
Ayo Cece, apa terakhir? Cece belajar apa? Gak apa-apa. This one is only like flexible question. You can use your own opinion.
I don't know.
Kan kakak Cece tadi belajar tentang apa tadi sebutannya? I forgot. Color, shape sama apa? Teknik stained glass, right?
Yes.
Ya, udah. Berarti Cece udah belajar 3 hal. Belajar tentang warna, belajar tentang shapes, and stained glass technique. Thank you so much, Kakak Tori. See you again next time. So, yeah, next, this one, Kakak Vio, my favorite one. Ready, Kakak Vio?
Yes.
Kakak Niko udah belum ya? Udah ya?
Udah.
Oh iya, ya Kakak Niko tunggu sebentar nih. Kita akan lihat Kakak Aris sama Kakak Vio. God bless you, guys. Mereka biasanya gambarnya keren dan warnanya juga keren. So, I suggest you guys don't leave the... Yeah, ready? 1, 2, go. Wow, see guys. My God. Come on, Kakak Vio. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Hello, this is my drawing. First, I draw a face, and I draw ear, eyebrow, nose, and mouth.
Mm-mm.
And then I draw ear and hair.
Yeah.
And then I draw a body.
Wow, Kakak Vio, I saw that the hair part, you do not color it with black. You can color it with black, yeah? The hair part. The one that looks like a headset. Yeah, this area, I think. This area, Kakak Vio, you have to color it with black or any color you want. This one. This one still looks white. Okay, good job, Kakak Vio. You always showing your best effort and you always showing the best and fantastic artwork. Thank you so much. I give you 2 thumbs up. Selamat beristirahat, Kakak Vio. Sekarang Kakak Ares, are you ready?
Yes.
Wow, this one again. One of the masterpiece. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Okay, this is my drawing. First, I draw a face in here, and then I draw ear, eyes, and nose in here, and then I draw a hair. There's no hair in here. And then I draw pony, and then I draw a neck, and I draw a shirt.
Okay, can you mention 3 things that you learned from this lesson?
Okay.
1.
Wow.
One, I can draw a face,
Good job. Next.
and then I can, no. Trendy glass.
Okay. Stained glass technique. Stained glass.
Yes.
Kaca patri.
Stained glass technique.
Technique. And then the third one will be you learning about what?
I don't know.
You learn about color, I think. You
Coloring.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
coloring.
So you already create 3 things. Okay. Is it hard for you to draw like that, Ares?
Little bit.
Yeah, Ares, you know what? Both of you always showing your best effort, and you know what? All of your artwork always showing the stunning artwork. Ya, keep up the good work. Misal Al bangga banget sama kalian berdua karena gambarnya bagus-bagus selalu, dan mudah-mudahan nanti kakak Ares masuk SMP dan kakak Vio masuk kelas berapa sekarang? Kelas 4. Mudah-mudahan kalian akan dapat nilai keren di art ya. Selalu buat karya yang keren seperti ini ya nanti kalau di sekolah.
Okay.
Thank you so much Ares and Vio. Next will be, jangan leave dulu, kita mau belajar dari kakak Aleta. Habis Aleta, Leandra. Leandra udah belum ya? Belum ya? Kakak Leandra udah ya? Oh udah ya. Oke, next will be kakak Adrian. Oh Adrian tadi udah. Oh iya, kita punya terakhir cuman kakak Aleta doang. Kakak Nika udah selesai kan ya tadi ya? Udah. Oke, kakak Aleta, come on, we are waiting for you. It's time for you to present your work. Ready? 1, 2, go.
I made this thing. Thing, and I use a lot of color with it.
Okay.
Make like a rainbow.
Good. Next. Come on, make it more longer.
And I really like this part.
And then?
All.
Wow. Are you happy with your drawing, Aleta?
Yes,
Why are you happy with your drawing?
because I made it super colorful.
Wow. I can give you 2 thumbs up. Yeah, to be honest, if I be your teacher in your classroom, I will give you 100 score for your drawing because that one is so worth it and that looks so fantastic for me, okay? Okay, now Aleta, I want you to mention 3 things that you learned from this lesson. Come on.
I learned the face.
Oh, you learned about drawing the faces.
And
Next.
also the mouth and the neck and the line.
Okay, you learn about draw the face, you learn how to draw the neck, and you learn also how to draw the line. Are you happy overall? Can you draw like this one again in the future?
Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Aleta, I want you to show your skill. This one is very good. I give you 2 thumbs up. I want you to show it in front of your teacher later on if you go to your school, okay? Okay, I'm so proud of you, Aleta. Keep up the good work and see you on Tuesday, yeah? So everybody, thank you so far. Last but not the least, Aleta already showing us the very inspired artwork, and yeah, everybody already creating your own best drawing and painting. Thank you so much for this moment, and we're going to meet again on Tuesday, yeah? We're going to have a storytelling session, and we're going also to draw later on. And we're going to make a building on Thursday.
Leandra sudah belum ya?
Oh yeah, Leandra udah belum? Because last time I'm
In
asking.
English. Ya.
Boleh in English, boleh in bahasa, is okay.
Belum, aku belum.
Ya, siapa yang belum boleh? Misal kadang suka kelewat. Oke, Leandra silakan. Ready, 1, 2, go.
Today I made stained glass picture, and this is the bodies. This is the mouth. This is the head, and this is the hair.
Okay. And then?
And this is the nose, and this is the body.
Yeah, are you happy with your drawing, Leandra?
Yes,
Why are you feel happy with your drawing?
because I made it myself.
You make it yourself. Is it hard for you to draw the face like that?
No.
No? Wow. Can you mention 3 things that you learned from your lesson today?
Stained glass, colors, and how to make a face.
Okay. Can you repeat it again? I did not really hear that.
Stained glass, colors, and how to make a face.
Stained glass, color, and how to make a face. Okay, thank you so much, Leandra. I'm very impressed with your drawing, and your drawing looks so nice. But next time, I want you to color it more better by color it nicely with no white space at all to make it more tidy later on, ya. Gambarnya Leandra udah bagus banget, Mr. Al seneng banget. Next time, tinggal Leandra warnainnya agak lebih rapi lagi, ya. Oke, that is good for the start for today. Kita mau gambar lagi nanti hari Selasa sama hari Kamis. Ya, oke. Thank you, Leandra. Thank you so much. I give you 2 thumbs up and 10 stars for you. And I cannot wait to see you guys next week. Thank you, Elbrus. Thank you, Ares. Kakak Ares. Wah, lucu banget papinya. Hai, Poppy. And Kakak Leandra, terima kasih. Sampai ketemu hari Selasa. Kakak Aleta juga, bye-bye. Kakak Adrian. Kakak Nico. Yeah, thank you, Tori and Rachel. It's time for us to play outside. Yay! Biasanya kalau sore main sepeda di pinggir-pinggir rumah supaya kena matahari supaya kuat badannya. Ayo kita main.
Manjat pohon terus jatuh.
Apa manjat pohon jatuh? Iya. Oke, Adrian, silakan kita keluar supaya kena matahari, tapi jangan ketemu sama orang-orang ya, jaga jarak sama mereka. Ya, oke, sampai ketemu lagi hari Selasa. Bye-bye. Bye Kakak Leandra, bye Nico, bye Tori, bye Adrian, bye Elbrus, bye-bye. Bye Aleta.